teach you how to make an eyeball with 3 colors, and you can't even see the changing color in the scene. So first you need thin yarns, like worsted number 2 in white, whatever eye color you want, and black for the pupil. And I'm going to use a 2.25 millimeter hook. You can use 2.5 or 2.75 as well. We're going to do a magic ring with 5 single crochets. Okay, so single crochet 5 in the magic ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pull it. And now we're going to do an increase all around, but we're going to switch color at the same time. So back loop only, and this is how you hide the color changes. Back loop only, put your hook through. And unlike the normal color switch where you grab the same color, now we're going to switch directly to the new color. So pull the new color through. You have 1 green loop, 1 black loop on your hook. Finish the single crochet with the new color. Okay, so that's single crochet 1, but we're doing an increase, so do a second one in the same hole. So we got 1A and 1B. We did our increase. Now the next one, back loop only as well. 2A, 2B. Now the next one, back loop only as well. 3A, 3B. The next one, 4A, 4B. And the last one, 5A, 5B, back loop only. Okay, so once you finish and you do your 5 increases, your last stitch is going to be black. So what we're going to do is going to single crochet in the front loop only. And now we're going to switch to white. And the way we do this is we're going to go back loop only on the green. Grab your white. Pull through so you have 1 white, 1 green. And finish the single crochet with white. Okay, that's your single crochet 1. Now we're gonna do single crochet 1, increase 5 times. So next is our increase, back loop only. Would be 1A, 1B. Next is our single crochet, so 2 in the back loop, and then the increase, 2A, 2B. And then we're gonna do 3, 3A, 3B. 4, 4A, 4B. 5, 5A, and the 5B we're going to do in the same place, but we are going to do in under the normal chain, so not front loop or back loop, but just normal, like under the whole stitch. 5B. And now we're going to do single crochet 15 all around. Once again, just normal, neither back nor front, just normal. So 1, now see how it's forming like a bow this way? You can either flip it over and sew it to your guy, your monster, whatever you're making this way, or you if you like this way more, all you have to do is pull all the yarn left over from all the changes on the other side, pull them over to the inside. Here's the green. I'm gonna pull it in. It looks like there's a little bit of black there. So I like to cover that black, so I'm going to pull it in like right here. And then there's the black. I'm just gonna pull the blacks through the middle. One at a time. And there's your eyeball, and you could always choose to do one extra round of increase if you want it bigger. And if you don't want it 3D-ish like this one is gonna stick out a little bit. You can see I'm making Mike Wazowski, so his eyeball is gonna stick out a little bit like that. You can do just one round if you don't want it to stick out, or you can do an increase round if you want it to be flat. But there you go.